Are you a beginner looking to start investing, but feeling overwhelmed by where to begin? You're not alone. In 2026, investing is more accessible than ever. But the key is knowing where to start. Whether you're working with a small budget or just starting out, there are simple investment tips that can help you grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll cover 5 easy investment tips for beginners. From fractional shares to tax-sheltered accounts, these tips will help you build a strong financial foundation without needing a lot of experience. Stick around, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. 1. Prioritize fractional diversification. When you're just starting, it might seem like you need thousands of dollars to build a diversified investment portfolio. But in 2026, there's no reason to wait until you have significant savings to begin investing. The first investment tip we're diving into is fractional share investing, an incredible option for beginners with limited funds. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of stock rather than needing to purchase an entire share. For instance, if you want to invest in an expensive tech giant like Apple or Tesla, fractional shares let you buy as little as $1 worth. This is perfect for those who want to diversify their investments, but don't have the capital to buy full shares in high-priced stocks. Fractional shares are often available through platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, allowing you to easily access diversified funds like the S&P 500 Index Fund. This is one of the most popular diversified investment funds, as it allows you to invest in the top 500 companies in the world, such as Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, all at once. Even if you start with just $1, you're already an owner of those top companies from day one. What's even better is that fractional share investing provides you with instant diversification. You don't need to buy individual stocks for each company. By using fractional share investing, you can begin your investment journey with no minimum investment requirement and start building wealth without needing thousands of dollars to get started. As you continue investing, you'll be able to build a well-diversified portfolio from the get-go, giving you the best chance at long-term growth. 2. Automate the dividend reinvestment, DRIP. As you begin investing, you might start to receive dividends, a portion of a company's profits paid to shareholders. This can be a great way to generate passive income, especially when you're just starting. However, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is cashing out their dividend payments instead of reinvesting them into more shares. The second tip for beginners is to automate dividend reinvestment by enabling the Dividend Reinvestment Plan, DRIP, in your brokerage account. With DRIP, rather than receiving your dividends as cash, they are automatically used to purchase additional shares of the same stock or fund. This strategy helps you take full advantage of compounding, the process where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. The power of compounding cannot be underestimated. As you continue to reinvest your dividends, you create a snowball effect. The more shares you own, the more dividends you'll receive, which will then be used to purchase even more shares. Over time, this exponential growth can significantly boost your investment returns. DRIP allows you to continue growing your portfolio passively, with no extra work required. You can just set it and forget it, letting the power of compounding do the heavy lifting. Even if you're starting with a small amount of money, DRIP ensures that your investments will grow steadily without you needing to make manual decisions every time dividends are paid. By automating this process, you set yourself up for consistent, long-term wealth accumulation. 3. Leverage AI-driven robo-advisors. In the past, investing required a human financial advisor to help guide you, but in 2026, that's no longer the case. Today, AI-driven robo-advisors are the go-to solution for beginners who want to build a balanced, diversified portfolio without paying hefty fees to a human advisor. Robo-advisors like Betterment Wealthfront and Elvis use algorithms to automatically rebalance your portfolio and minimize your taxes, tailoring it to your specific financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Robo-advisors are ideal for beginners because they take the guesswork out of investing. These tools make use of machine learning algorithms to adjust your investments as needed, so you don't have to worry about market fluctuations or constantly managing your portfolio. The AI behind these platforms is designed to minimize risk while maximizing returns, all while saving you time and reducing costs. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, a robo-advisor can help you stay on track and grow your savings without feeling overwhelmed. By using a robo-advisor, You can get access to sophisticated investment strategies typically reserved for those with larger portfolios, all while paying minimal fees. Many robo-advisors also offer automatic rebalancing, so your portfolio stays aligned with your financial goals, even as market conditions change. This makes it a perfect solution for those who want to invest smartly but don't have the time or expertise to manage their investments manually. With a robo-advisor, you can rest easy knowing your investments are being actively managed without constant oversight. For the lump sum versus DCA hybrid, one of the most common challenges beginner investors face is the temptation to time the market. Many people believe they need to wait for the perfect time to invest, often try to buy when stock prices are low or during a market crash. Unfortunately, trying to time the market can lead to missed opportunities, and more often than not, you'll end up buying too high or selling too low. This can lead to emotional decision-making, resulting in poor financial outcomes that could have been avoided with a more disciplined approach. Instead of trying to time the market, consider using dollar-cost averaging DCA, a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. For example, you could set up a recurring $50 weekly transfer into a diversified fund or stock. By doing this, you automatically buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, which lowers your average cost per share over time. The hybrid approach combines lump sum investing a larger sum all at once, with DCA. This strategy helps you invest when you have extra cash, and also ensures you continue investing regularly even when you don't have a large sum available. The benefit of this approach is that you invest at various price points, helping reduce risk and avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market. DCA is one of the simplest and most effective ways to invest for the long term without the anxiety of trying to time every market movement. It works especially well for beginners who want a low-maintenance, steady approach to investing. DCA allows you to invest consistently without stress and build wealth gradually over time, regardless of market volatility. 5. Invest in tax-sheltered buckets first. The final investment tip for beginners is to focus on tax-efficient investing. If you want to maximize your returns, start by filling up tax-sheltered accounts before opening a taxable investment account. In 2026, tax efficiency is crucial to preserving your wealth, and investing through accounts like a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, or a 401k offers major benefits. For example, contributions to a Roth IRA grow tax-free, meaning you don't have to pay taxes on the interest, dividends, or capital gains. Similarly, if you invest in a 401k or traditional IRA, your contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, which lowers your taxable income for the year. By prioritizing these tax-sheltered buckets, you can maximize your wealth growth over time. Many beginners make the mistake of investing in taxable accounts first, which subjects their returns to taxes each year. Instead, start by contributing to retirement accounts, where you can grow your investments tax-free or tax-deferred. In 2026, there will be even more tools available to make opening and managing these accounts easy. Many robo-advisors and online platforms allow you to set up and contribute to tax-sheltered accounts with minimal effort, giving you access to automated strategies that optimize tax efficiency. With just a few clicks, you can start building long-term wealth and keep more of your earnings working for you. Prioritizing tax-sheltered accounts is one of the smartest decisions you can make to grow your savings effectively. And there you have it, the top 5 simple investment tips for beginners in 2026. From fractional shares to automating dividend reinvestment, small steps can make a huge impact on your financial future. Which tip will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from these beginner-friendly investment strategies. Keep learning, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.